Hi, it's Ryan with Brinson Marine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to hook up a trailer.
Start by backing up the truck to the trailer. This can be done alone, but is easier to do with two people, where one will drive the vehicle and the other will signal. Direct the driver with hand signals to line up the hitch of the truck to be directly underneath the coupler of the trailer. When the ball is in place, lower the coupler onto the hitch. Once lowered on the hitch, start securing the trailer to the truck. In no particular order, you will put down the latch, put the safety pin through, then attach the electrical wire, trailer emergency brake line, and the safety chains. Ensure the trailer lights are working, and then you're ready to hit the road safely.